everyone, this is Cindy, Queen of the Heart, and I'm back with an unboxing. Today I'm sharing the box that I got from Simple Stories. It's the Simple Stories warehouse box for 2018. So I bought the 2016 box, and it was pretty good. And I didn't buy the 2017 because I didn't really use all the stuff in 2016. Which I ended up destashing some of it, and some of it I still have in my stash. I really honestly feel like this box is the best out of the three. I've seen the unboxings for last year, and they're okay. This one's very good. For one thing, I don't think I got anything that I already have. And aside from a duplicate item, I think everything in here is something I'm going to probably use. So I'm going to start with the snap packs. This is the one that I got 2 of the same pack. I don't really see myself using 2 of these, but this is all that you get in it. Pretty good. It's 116 pieces. You get a lot of stuff. You can make cards with it. You can put it in smash books, in your planner, scrapbooking, mini albums, and so on. It's really good. And then I got this Hello Fall one, which is also really cool. And then I got the Carpe Diem, which I love that one. And there's a lot of really good ones in there. And then I got some paper pads. I got the Domestic Bliss Simple Stories. This is a 6x8 paper pad. I don't have it, so I'm super stoked about that. I also got another 6x8 paper pad. It's Vintage Blessings, which I also don't have. I think I might have some 12x12 pieces from my box from 2 years ago. Vintage Bliss, and very different looks. So this one is Vintage Blessings, and this one is Vintage Bliss. So this is a 6x6 paper pad. I don't have this. This is the Snap Color Vibe. I don't think I have this particular one in a 6x6. These are really good to have as backgrounds. You can use these for trees or grass, skies, the sea. You can use them to cut with your Cricut. So these are really nice. Love Adore. I actually have the 12x12 paper pack, the kit. But I don't have a 6x6. Love it. Super cute. And then here are some other things I have. These are the romance stickers, which I don't have. I also got the Sub-Zero stickers, which I actually have. I just saw that I have the 12x12 pack. It's like the 12x12, kit. I have that. And so now the stickers. Let's see what else I have in this box. I'm going to show you things as they, look, as they go together. This one, I have these clips. This is Hello Fall, the clips. And then I saw these at Tuesday morning and did not get them, but now I have them in my box. I'm glad I didn't get them. And these are the Carpe Diem emoji ones. And then, let's see. I don't see that I got a lot of this. I got these brads. These are Hello Fall brads. And I got these Sub-Zero bits and pieces. So that's cool because that goes with a collection that I do have most of. And then I've got a lot of washi. So I got this washi, which is the Love Adore. I love that because it comes with 2 skinny washies. This one, which is called Feeling Frosty Carpe Diem. Super cute. This one, which is also Carpe Diem. And it's floral. Love florals. Carpe Diem Vintage Birds. The birds are super cute. I love this one. This is Holly Jolly, and it's got this plaid. This one's pretty cool too. This one's called Just Believe, and it's like a Christmas floral. Just amazing. this one, which is called Forever, and it's got this pink floral, which is pretty cool. And then this one, which is Summertime Sweetness. I also got this stamp, Emoji Love. Yes. Man, if my daughter sees that I have a whole stamp of smiling poops and winking smiley faces, she's totally going to want this. It's amazing. So there's that. I also got a couple of these chipboard stickers. So I got this one. It's pretty tall, which is Romance. And this one, which is Sub-Zero, which I'm excited about. And that is not all that is in here. So let me put all this other stuff in here. So I can put it all away. Give you an idea of the paper. And what I like to do too is to see what paper goes together. Like if you have enough paper to make something with, if that makes sense. So this one is Oh What Fun. Let's see what we have here. Let's take it out. This is all the 12 by 12 paper. So we have the Oh What Fun. This is Oh What Fun. The cutter parts and Oh What Fun. And then we have Hello Fall. Hello Fall. And oh, I love that one. Hello Fall. And that one. And then we have Love and Adore. This is Happy Harvest, which is Happy Fall. Happy Harvest. Happy Harvest, Grateful Hearts, Domestic Bliss. Domestic Bliss, Domestic Bliss, Domestic Bliss. This is Love and Adore. Love and Adore. And then here's Posh. And this one's Posh. And this one is Posh. And Posh. And this one is Romance. 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 And then we have Cabin Fever. Cabin Fever. Cabin Fever. And this one is Cabin Fever. And then this one is Summer Days. I love summer. And this one is Faith. And Faith. Faith. And Faith. And then we've got Sub-Zero, Sub-Zero, Sub-Zero. Sorry, I won't go as fast. Sub-Zero, Very Merry, Beautiful. Ooh, that one's very, very nice. Beautiful, Beautiful, and Beautiful. And then we've got Summer Days. Oh, and Emoji Love. Love Emoji Love. Emoji Love. They hit it out of the park with Emoji Love. If you have a tween child, yeah. Vintage Blessings. Vintage Blessings. I got two of the same one. Vintage Blessings. But that goes with the paper pad that I have too. So that's super cool. And the washi with the birds, I think, kind of goes with that. Vintage Blessings and Summer Days. I do love how everything kind of coordinates together. I think that's really cool. Summer Days. And then we have our sticker sheets. So we have the Cabin Fever sticker sheet, which is amazing. You also can do, of course, cards with these. Domestic Bliss. This would make a really, really cool traveler's notebook, I think. Summer Days. And Sub-Zero. So that is my haul. So if that, I don't know if they're still available or if they're sold out, but this is probably one of the best ones you can buy. I want to, $50? Might have been $50. Can't remember the price of it, but it was definitely a bargain. I got more than that. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.